Ever faced writer's block, that frustrating moment when the words just won't flow? It's a common issue that many creatives grapple with. It's like being trapped in a maze where every turn leads to a dead end. The causes? They're as varied as the writers themselves. Stress, self-doubt, lack of inspiration, or simply being overwhelmed by the enormity of the task at hand. The effects? Stalled creativity, declined productivity, and a sense of growing frustration. It's like being a wordsmith with no words to smith. Now, imagine if there was a tool, a beacon of light to guide you out of this labyrinth. A tool that doesn't just help you find your words, but polishes them to a dazzling shine. A tool that takes the grind out of writing and injects the joy back into it. But what if you could conquer writer's block with a secret weapon? Enter the writing assistant. Imagine a world where writer's block is a thing of the past, a world where your words flow freely, where your ideas come to life effortlessly. That's the world the writing assistant can create for you. This powerful tool is more than just a simple aid. It's your personal wordsmith, using advanced artificial intelligence to provide insightful suggestions, accurate corrections, and creative improvements to your writing. Whether you're crafting your first short story or polishing your latest professional article, the writing assistant is there to elevate your words. It's like having a seasoned editor and a creative muse at your side all the time. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner just dipping your toes into the world of writing, or a seasoned professional in need of a fresh perspective. The writing assistant is there to help every writer unleash their full potential. With the writing assistant, you're not just writing, you're creating a masterpiece. So, are you ready to say goodbye to writer's block and hello to effortless eloquence? It's time to take the plunge and give the writing assistant a try. This is not just another tool, it's a revolution for your writing process. Imagine a world where you're no longer stressed about finding the right words or structuring your thoughts. That world is now within your reach. The writing assistant is here to make your writing more enjoyable, less stressful, and yes, more eloquent. It can be your muse, your guide, and even your editor, ready to assist you at every step of your writing journey. Whether you're crafting a novel, a blog post, or a business proposal, the writing assistant is here to help you shine. Don't let writer's block hold you back. Unleash your inner wordsmith with the writing assistant. Try it today and watch your words dazzle like never before.